Yeah. I think all the drama got the best of me. What I'm doing, it don't make no sense to me. I feel like shit, and the other feel is ecstasy. I'm fighting everything, I wonder how it's supposed to be. I got all these cars, but nowhere to go. I got all this money, but nobody to show. Hold up, what you with me to get? Hold up, being honest, I just want me some head. In my head, cooking up a masterpiece. Cooking cause I know the fucking recipe. I'm cooking like kick, hope, I ain't got no shame to say. We fucked once, I ain't done, cause you can't even take it, All these hoes wanna be seen. I'm over it, go suck that dick. Some young niggas winning, y'all ain't showing shit, we just keep shit hitting. Now you niggas ever heard of bamboo lineage? It's a lot of shit you niggas don't see you missing. I don't see myself ever really being finished. I ain't coming back till I get it off my head. Every damn day I just get more fed up. Hate it when they try to tell me I should keep my head up. You niggas live in peace, you would never stand a chance. You niggas buy young, you never get lit. Load up, cock it, blast 'em, Let's get out, we run, we slide, catch 'em. All these boy bitches, so they run for cover. The cover they gon' get is a cover when we pack 'em. I got cloudy vision, sometimes I gotta step back. I brought my family everywhere, I put them in my backpack. They asking what I did to get me there. You think that I know? You niggas know for any blueprint that you can follow. Switch it up, cheers. We in Monte Carlo. Anything that happens when I'm gone, I'ma find out. Nobody can fool me. You mad soon? No money, no problems. That ain't even me. Bitches all trying to see the man in the flesh. It's me. I done built it all bare hands. It's me. I got the gold ticket, Willy Wonka. Now I'm running around the fucking world trying to conquer.
My boss in a mechanic, Yan make no. You black up me a van, my Zamza. Every time I go a road, me get white sound. Flash a man dem, flash a man dem. We jabba and we collect the loot. In style, we did a show. Shoot, just get the money, we pay all of the crew. Don't give a fuck, do what we have to do. Ooh.
What do they even have in Monaco that I can't offer you? What do these Monacan hoes have?